Good morning, student. Hope you are all fine at home. We are starting today a new chapter. The chapter name is More About Scratch. In this chapter, we will learn about introduction about Scratch, what controls we are using and how they controls are using in the programming language, how the sprite characters is moving, what are the commands we are using in this Scratch programming. So it is a programming window. You can see easily there is a programming environment where we edit and write some coding by the blocking method, and our animation character is moving. So here you showing there is a cat. It is known as sprite. In the Scratch programming, there is an sprite. Sprite is an animation character, and there are a coding of blocks, which in this Scratch coding is already mentioned. We just need to drag the coding into the programming section area, and then the animation is starting. Yes, so here is a turn. So if my sprite says hello to scratch the cat. So there are the commands. Suppose it move 10, turn 15 degree, turn 15, point in direction. In this, there is already written codings. According to selection of a coding block, we can perform the activities by the help of a sprite. Now, this is a command center where the already commands are written. Programming area, here we write the codings. We can drag and drop the coding, and we can animate our characters. Costume designs, we can also change the costume of our sprite. We can also change according to our choice. Sprites is also be changed, their costumes also be changed. So here is a costume design shop. In costume design shop, we can categorize the sprite accordingly to our choice, and we can also design own costumes. And this is a display window. Whatever sprite we have selected, it is shown in the display window. And there is some axis in the sprite stage. There is some axis which is working on the x-axis and y-axis and home position. Now we are learn about the working two sprites. In this chapter, we will learn about the working with two sprites, how the two sprites works together. First of all, we need to open the Scratch window, remove the cat sprite. If we want to remove the sprite, we want to insert own choice sprite, so we can insert it and choose on the sprite from library. In the library button, there are so many sprites are available. The sprite library dialog box will open. When we click sprite from library, there are so many sprites are shown. Choose people from category. There are so many categories. If you want to insert animals picture, if you want to insert peoples, if you want to insert flowers, and so many things according to our choice, we can categorize. And then if we are selected in an example in your book, there is an sprite name is AB. We want to insert a AB sprite. Then what we need to do? First we need to select the AB sprite, and then we click OK. And where this AB sprite is available? It is available in the library section. Now we need to customize the cloth of the AB. So we can also select the costume tab, and you will notice there are so many costumes are related given to the AB, such as ABA, ABB, ABC and ABD. Under the AB sprite costumes list, when we click on AB sprite costume list, the ABA, ABC and ABB our costumes are mentioned there. Select the ABA costume. First, if I want to select ABA costume, and then we want to adjust the position on the stage, because there are two sprites and we want to suggest according to our choice, we want to adjust the position of the first sprite, so we can adjust it also. How can we do that? We can do that by dragging it to the desired position. Whenever we want to put our sprites, we can drag the sprite and it's move on the desired position. Click on the flip left right button in the paint editor window. And again, because we are working, I had already told that heading is working with two sprites. That means we are working with two. So there is, we need to first we select the ABA. Now we need to select the second sprite. Select the choose sprite from the library button, and the second sprite name is Devin. And we can also categorize on the stage. We can also change the costume list. Select the sprite one by one and start creating the block stack. What is block stack? The coding, it is written in the block area, that is known as a block step. And step by step, whatever movement we want to put in the sprite, whatever movement we want to do with the help of a sprite, we can create the blocks according. Create a script for both, because there are two sprites are working, so we need to write the script for both the sprite. And there is a click on green flag. The green flag is there. When we clicked on it, the program is working, the sprite is moving. So when we clicked on a green flag, the sprite says hello, and then the next coding is wait for 3 seconds, that it's wait for 3 seconds. Then the next costume, that means new sprite. It says, can you demonstrate the exercise what I taught you? And how much times he say the things, he stay saying for the 2 seconds. And then this next command is wait 3 seconds, that the sprite is wait for a 3 seconds. I hope you all very well understand. In the next session, we are doing setting the sprite position. How can we setting the sprite in on stage?